Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries on stage, CSI leadership team, professors, and leadership team of Vidya Jyoti Institute of Technology, faculty members, my dear students. Happy CSI AI 100K. When I received the invitation for CSI State Convention 2.0, I truly wanted to be present in person, but because of a conflicting session, I am appearing virtually before all of you. I could not resist appearing virtually, at least because this platform means really special to me. Reason: last year I was invited as a panel member for one of the session uh, s- for the CSI State Convention 1.0, if I may call, right? Thanks to Dr. Ramana Devarkonda and Dr. Aruna Madam, uh, because they invited me, and that is when I got introduced to Computer Society of India and its strength and vision. This year, I am not only here to talk about technology, but I'm here to talk about a passionate initiative that I am working on along with the leaders of Computer Society of India, right? Which we call it as CSI AI 100K. Computer Society of India, Artificial Intelligence, 100K is 1 lakh. We wanted to make 1 lakh students AI ready. Uh, to give you a perspective, I wanted to take all of you back in time, or year 2000. There was a problem called Y2K problem. I'm sure most of you are not born by year 2000. Go back after this session, Google it, you will get a good perspective. But for your benefit, for some weird reason, people, programmers at that point of time thought year was only 2 digits. Instead of 1999, they wrote it as 1999, 99, right? So imagine if 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, when it hits 2000, your brilliant machine called computer doesn't differentiate between 2000 versus 1900. The impact is the business impact. Your airlines go crazy, your banking systems, your money, and all those things. Imagine the impact. This is when people took it as an opportunity, and then most of them flew to US as well. And then whoever grabbed that opportunity grew financially very well, technologically very well. Why I am drawing this analogy is that we are exactly at the same inflection point called YK25, year 2025. Though we are technically in February 2026, we are talking about artificial intelligence. When people talk about artificial intelligence, there are two aspects. People get fear, people get hype, right? So this is when we thought what we can do from Computer Society of India, because whenever technology makes a shift, industry takes a pivot. We are the ones who will give direction to both industry and academia. This is when we thought of giving a 2 hour session after a careful brainstorming that we wanted to make you AI ready. This session is carefully crafted for 120 minutes, 4 segments, each 30 minutes. In the first 30 minutes, we all talk about AI vocabulary so that by the end of this session, we all can speak the same language. In the next 30 minutes, we will talk about the industry specific use cases, specifically from the application aspect. For the next 30 minutes, we know as we speak, there are 1500 to 1800 uh, primary tools that are available from artificial intelligence perspective. But if we know when to use what, how becomes very easy. This is where we will try to give you prompt engineering with a model that we have developed specifically. Last half an hour, we will try to map career so that for the next 25 years, this will give you a direction, right? I wanted you to take this opportunity with the utmost focus. By the end of this session, you all should feel that you are AI ready, and then you should walk out of this auditorium with a sense of accomplishment, right? And then I wanted to leave you with a thought. When you hit YK25, YK50, 2050, you will gain 25 years of experience approximately. Then we don't know what technology will be flourishing at that point of time. What changes we cannot predict because it is too early. But one thing I can confidently say is that your rigidity will break. If somebody is very rigid or stubborn to change, so that is when they will become irrelevant. I wanted all of you to think very big when you hit 2050 and like CSI 100K, and then try to give back to the society. Imagine when you come back after 25 years to the same auditorium for an alumni meet, then you will remember us. Then you will remember this moment that we spoke about artificial intelligence exactly at that inflection point. And then we spoke about YK50. We are here now in the same auditorium, and then imagine the nostalgia. So these are the goosebump memories that you need to carry. And then I know you will all do well in life, but at the same time, you all need to think that you need to give something back to the society, right? With this, I would like to thank one more time all the CSI leadership team, chairman, secretary, and especially all the ones who are supporting for this great initiative. Right. So I wanted all of you to take this opportunity with utmost focus, take as much as possible. One thing that you wanted to understand here is the mind shift and then the brainstorming that needs to happen apart from the technology that we are talking about, right? There are carefully crafted use cases that we lined up so that you will understand how exactly industry is thinking, what industry is expecting. With this, I will halt here, congratulating all of you. And we are also trying to attempt a world record initiative. I also wanted to congratulate all of you that you will be a part of that attempt. And then we hope that we will achieve it. And then we will all meet again for CSI AI 100K Leadership and Impact Summit that we planned on March 14th, 2026, right? Happy CSIA 100K one more time. And I congratulate all of you. Do well in life. Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.